Hey guys, it's Holly Diamond. I'm back to you with another video. So of course college has been extremely demanding with time and tests and classes, you know, college. But I finally get back to do one of the hobbies I really enjoy doing, which is YouTube and my makeup on camera, which is exactly what this relationship is, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here on camera and promise nothing because that might be proven to be a lie later on after this, so we're just gonna see what happens, okay? We don't want no September, spring, summer situations, but we definitely want this to be reoccurring. Today I'm gonna be doing something super special, so I'm going to be recreating an old look of mine. So the look we're gonna be creating should be like right here in this area. I don't know if editing me is gonna put it exactly right there, but we're gonna hope that I put it exactly right here so I don't look like a fool. Let's get this done. Let's start this. Let's do it. Alright, so how is everyone? Welcome to this Kiki, you know. I'm your host. I'm gonna be here for a good time, not a long time. What has everybody been up to? What's the hot gossip, the 411, the tea? Personally, I have been living a pretty alright life. Yesterday I went to go see Todrick Hall. Shout out to Todrick Hall. He just dropped his Forbidden album and it was fire, so of course I wanted tickets, so I went to go see him on tour and it was absolutely amazing. I even got the chance to meet him and he said he liked my makeup, you guys, so we're friends now. Shooting for not the exact same look in the photo, like a more stepped up pussy version of what we have in that photo. Just wanted to be cuter, you know what I'm saying? Because I have evolved. In fact, I remember when I took that photo that we're currently recreating, I had just stepped into eyeshadow. And I don't know if a lot of people even know this about me, but I've been wearing makeup since I was about 16. And when I first got into makeup, I liked makeup. I wasn't super heavy into it. Like, I wasn't wearing lipsticks and eyeshadows and eyeliners and all that. I was just really basic with it, which I think most people are. You have to just kind of jump into it, you know. But I say this to say your boy's eyeshadow game was trash, and it was only trash because I didn't wear it at the time, so I didn't know how to do it, but it was complete and utter trash. Okay, so I've got my crease situation together, like a cute little white shade from my Wild palette called Rebellion. It has gold reflex in it. That's already cuter than the original. I'm gonna put that to like about right there, in that area, jurisdiction right there. You know what I'm saying? I got a bit carried away in my little zone while I was doing my makeup and forgot that I was filming because I was real excited about this. But isn't this cute though? Like, you know what I'm saying? This whole situation I got going on. But all I did was place a yellow shadow from the Aftershock palette right in this little region right about here, and you know, the blendation, like make sure that these blend, you know. Okay, so I just added a little bit of a super brown color called Taboo from the same palette right here to give us a little bit of drama, a little action, a little battle combat situation, you know what I'm saying? Okay, but why is this giving me real like Flash vibes? I'm calling it in the name of me. This is a finished look that I have come up with. I think it turned out like really pretty. Like I'm actually quite proud of this. I really wish this was the original look, and I wish I had something to do today. Like this is cute. That's gonna be it for this video, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, you know, like it. Make sure you subscribe. Even if you didn't like this video, make sure you still subscribe, because we can become friends one day and you might just come back to this content and be like, it was kind of bomb. I might want to recreate that. So yeah, that's all I have to say to you guys. Oh, remember, boys and girls, you can do anything because you are what? Unclockable and unstoppable. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.